Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today, I've got some incredible news that's going to take your fascination for space to the next level. SpaceX has just made history with the first ever commercial spacewalk. Yep, you heard that right, commercial. No government agencies, just a private team venturing into the vast vacuum of space. This groundbreaking mission, aptly named Polaris Dawn, had 4 private citizens suiting up for an adventure of a lifetime. Billionaire Jared Isaacman led the team, which also included Sarah Gillis, and together they stepped outside the Crew Dragon spacecraft and into history. Now, what's so special about this mission? Well, for starters, it's entirely private. No NASA, no government involvement, just SpaceX pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This mission is a massive leap forward for commercial human spaceflight, showing us that space travel is not just for astronauts anymore. The future where regular people and organizations can reach the stars is getting closer and closer. During this historic spacewalk, Isaacman and Gillis performed crucial mobility tests. These tests are vital for understanding how humans can move and work effectively in space. It's all part of preparing for even more ambitious missions like, say, a trip to Mars. Exciting, right? But wait, there's more. The Polaris Dawn mission wasn't just about the spacewalk. It was a test bed for critical technologies and procedures that are essential for future space exploration. One of the big challenges the crew faced was operating without an airlock on their spacecraft. They underwent a 48-hour pre-breathe procedure to minimize the risk of decompression sickness. Imagine holding your breath for 48 hours. Not really, but you get the idea. This meticulous planning and execution provided valuable data that will help make future missions safer and more efficient. The success of this mission has far-reaching implications. It demonstrates that private companies like SpaceX are capable of handling complex and risky missions that were once the exclusive domain of government agencies. This paradigm shift is accelerating innovation and discovery in space. Of course, spacewalks are inherently risky. The vacuum of space is no joke. Extreme temperatures, radiation, and the potential for decompression sickness are just a few of the dangers. But SpaceX's meticulous preparation and unwavering commitment to safety ensured the crew's success. They developed and tested new spacesuits and procedures to meet the highest safety standards. It's a testament to SpaceX's dedication to pushing the boundaries of space exploration while prioritizing human life. The completion of the Polaris Dawn spacewalk is a pivotal moment in the history of space exploration. It highlights the growing role of private companies in this field and inspires future generations to dream big. As we venture further into the cosmos, the lessons learned from this mission will undoubtedly guide our journey and shape the future of human spaceflight. So, what do you think about this historic achievement? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Chicky Steps, share this video with your friends, and give me a like for more out-of-this-world content. Until next time, keep looking up.